Hello everyone, we are back. Let's try to create this presentation slide. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let's try to create this. At first we need to create this shadow option, but you see, maybe it is something wrong whenever we try to move the shadows, nothing happens. Let's see how we can create this. We create a new slide, blank slide. You see, the problem or the real thing is that we set the background to the shadow types and not the front ground. We can change it and we are going to do it now. We are going to use the background, format background. We have the background and go to picture correction. You can set the sharpness to low or the brightness for the background picture to be something like this. After doing that, we need to copy the picture and paste it here. The picture, I'm going to reset all the things I do to it. I crop it to shape, I crop it back, and then go to crop option and reduce it, increase it until it's real size. This is the picture. I'm going to set it to the background. From here, clipboard. We have the picture in the background and I'm going to reduce it to the size that we need. How? I'm going to insert a circle here and align it center, middle, select both of them, and then you see I want to get some effect, but I can't. Let's see what happens if we send it to back, then select both of them, go to shape format and try to get the option we need. It's not giving us anything because at first we need to click at the picture, then the shape. Now, when we use combine, this option is being created. Now we need to go to picture correction and set the sharpness to -100. Wait a little because the picture has a high quality. It's going to take time, but it's created now. And we can also reduce the brightness a little. It is more how you like it. I like to reduce it a little. Wait a little for it to happen. It takes a little time. And after that, we just simply copy this slide and put it here. This is the coloring I get from here. And then just change the inner background and the font is Overdrive Sunset. This picture is really so easy. We apply the background to all. No, sorry, I make a bad mistake. Let me just copy this text and paste it here. Now, let's see how does it look like. But the more understanding thing is that we need to copy that and paste it here and reduce it in size, increase it in size for the magic to be happen. Let's see. You'll see how amazing this slide is. If you like the content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you have any questions, ask me in the comment, I will answer you. Until then, have a nice time.